Hello, my name is Miss Tharler and today we are going to be making lanterns. And these are a very fun way to decorate your home any time of year, or in particular for the Chinese New Year where it's accustomed to make red lanterns. So the materials we need for these are colored paper, scissors, paint supplies, and glue. And let me show you those so you can gather the materials. Great. Okay. So, step one, we're going to take the color of our choice and fold it in half hamburger style, which means the short way. Ta. Then we are going to cut strips, but the key is that we do not cut to the end. So, do you see how I'm stopping? So you can go stop, and maybe leave like a finger or two's worth at the end, but no big deal. And once you have several of those cuts all the way to the end of the sheet, not the end of this, so once you have something like this, you open it up, and ta-da, and then you take the two ends and bring them together. And if for some reason you do it this side and it doesn't look right, just do it the other one, but you want to take the sides where it's going to be going down, and then two ends. Perfect. Okay. So then we just have to glue these down. So we take our glue and we put a generous amount of glue on one of the last strips. So let me do that. Here we are. And then I'm just going to press it down evenly so that it stays. And I would say hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure that your lantern will stay in place. Very nice. And then what we have to do is make our handle. So for this, we can just use another color. This would actually be great for Valentine's Day. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut a strip of paper. And yeah, this should be good. And then we are going to use the same glue stick and attach it. So it's nice to hide it. I'm gonna attach it on the inside. Perfect. And then you can decorate this any way you want. So this one I painted. So let's say I want to paint hearts on this, or stripes, or stars, or footballs. I can do whatever I want. Or if you, for some reason, have other things you want to decorate it with, like pom-poms, or stickers, or sequins, you can do that too. And there's really no right or wrong, but this is your house decoration. And you can even write your name on it. You can draw your favorite animal. Just have fun with it. And I hope you enjoy your lantern. And thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. Bye.